This Scoot Airlines Boeing 787-9 is operated in a two-class configuration of business and economy. Rows 6 to 10 are Scoot and Silence, a designated quiet zone. Passengers under the age of 12 are not permitted to book seats here. All Scoot and Silence seats are either STRETCH seats or Super seats. Scoot Airlines offers two upgrades for economy. Super seats offer 34 to 35 inches of seat pitch. STRETCH seats offer 35 to 36 inches of seat pitch and are located at bulkheads and exit rows with no seat in front. Scoot charges an extra fee to reserve these seats. Scoot Private Limited, operating as Scoot, is a Singaporean low-cost airline and a wholly owned subsidiary of Singapore Airlines. It began its operations on 4 June 2012 on medium and long-haul routes from Singapore, predominantly to various airports throughout the Asia-Pacific region.